Hi guys, Yang here and we have another airdrop for today's video. It's all about Cleo Network. So under siya ng Vana ecosystem. So what is Cleo Network? It is a data DAO for user consumption data. It enables users to own and earn from their data. So it's also a data liquidity provider for Vana protocol. So guys, medyo malalim siya no, kung bago kayo or wala pa kayo masyadong idea sa crypto, medyo malalim yung mga terminologies niya, pero kalaunan matutunan nyo din ito guys. Pero let's focus more on the airdrop. I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to participate with Cleo Network airdrop. Now for this one guys, I will, since we need to install the extension, we need to use the Kiwi browser. Yan guys. So if you're using mobile phone, gagamit tayo ng Kiwi browser or MySes. Dito guys sa Play Store, makikita nyo naman yung Kiwi browser. I-install nyo lang. Yan guys. Kiwi browser, yung may ibon yan. Yung blue na logo, yan yung kailangan natin i-install at gagamitin para kay Cleo Network. Now, since I have already the link, I will open the browser. Uy, naka-open pa nga dito. Dito guys, sa Kiwi browser, mostly ginagamit ko or ino-open ko yung mga depin or yung mga airdrop na gumagamit ng extensions like Grass, like NodePay, and Gradient kasi mas mabilis siyang mabuksan. So now, let's paste the link for Cleo Network and then, yan. Ayan guys. So before we go to the step-by-step tutorial, I please subscribe to this channel, to this YouTube channel so that we can create more step-by-step tutorial videos for crypto newbies guys. And now let's go to the link. Ayan. So, makikita nyo dyan guys, Cleo Network. Actually, pwede nyo siyang i-open like naka-desktop site para medyo malaki. Kung gusto nyo naman i-mobile, i-off nyo lang tong, i-uncheck nyo lang tong desktop site na yan. Yan. Medyo malaki siya. Pero kung gusto nyo naman na makita nyo buong yan, screen, pwede nyo lang i-check yung desktop site. So, now what we're going to do is add lang natin siya to Chrome. Click nyo lang yung add to Chrome. And then, okay. Ayan. So, it's already added. Now, let's proceed to yan. Yung 3 na dots dito sa taas. Right side. Click nyo lang yan. And then, sa baba. Yan. Makikita nyo dito lahat ng extensions na meron kayo, guys. For now, we will use Cleo Network. Cleo. Ayan guys, so madali lang siya diba kasi ayan, pagka-install natin ng extension ni Cleo Network, may automatic na ma-generate sa inyong address, sa inyong address ninyo, and then we'll go to my dashboard para makita natin lahat ng paano tayo makaka-earn ng Cleo na XP. So, check ko lang desktop site para makita ko lahat. Ayan guys, so itong milestone naman, there's only 3 tasks na pwede nyong gawin para maka-earn kayo or mas dagdagan yung XP ninyo. Ayan guys, so 120 yan XP for Twitter, 120 for owning 200 data, and ayan, for referring 10 friends to join the Cleo Network. So, tatlo lang yan guys. You can do all the tasks naman para makarami tayo ng XP. What else we can do? Snapshot. May referrals. Ayan guys, sa referrals naman, you can also claim additional points if your friends sign up using your referral link. Ayan, nandito sa baba yung referral link. Copy nyo lang yan. And then what else? It takes about 5 minutes for our LLM models to create your activity graph. So, since bago pa lang naman tayo guys, kaka-join lang natin, hindi pa natin makita yung graph na or graph natin. And if you guys want to learn more about Cleo Network, ayun nga, pwede nyo i-visit yung sa documentation nila, and then pwede rin kayong pumunta sa Twitter nila. Ayan, Twitter nila, Cleo. para updated kayo kung ano yung magiging announcement or progress ng project. Ayan. Own your consumption data and earn rewards. Pre-mine open install now. Uy, ayan guys. Makikita nyo dyan. So, ito na pala yung magiging dashboard once na meron kang data or MB. Yan, 34 MB. So, ito naman yung quality ng data niya. Ayan guys. You can follow their Twitter account, and then if you guys want more free crypto airdrops with step-by-step tutorials, I will create more videos soon. So please subscribe to this channel, and thank you so much for watching. I will keep you updated about Clio Network. Bye bye!